So this is like a side, how it's called? It's not cut. But you can see how it looks like inside of our skull. And basically what is more important, what I wanted to show, is this part. Because of the breath through the nostrils goes this way and then down. Here is pituitary gland and pineal gland. It's here. Through the breath, especially why Ujjayi is done, that restriction, and you are trying to hear the sound of your own breath. It's good to try to move that sound, to move that sensation somewhere here. You are breathing there, and then you try that vibration move up. The reason is that you want to affect pituitary gland, because you vibrate this bone under the brain, and it's affecting even physically, not just the energetically and mentally, but also physically. You are trying to affect that part of our body, which is important part of our hormonal system. Same if we do Kapalabhati, you try to keep that Ujjayi breath, and it's kind of a brushing sensation of the breath. You try to lead it up. It can go also this way, but you try to visualize that the breath goes up, and on the upper part, like the breath is brushing that part and creating that vibration over there. At the beginning, it may sound strange, and it's not easy to visualize it. That's why I wanted to show you the picture, so you can imagine how these internal parts of our skull looks like. So if you do Kapalabhati, you try to move that sound. You can do it from the throat, or you can move that sensation up and create that sound in there, and it's creating that vibration of the skull. That's the reason why Ujjayi is done this way. Yeah, it's not just Darth Vader in Ashtanga class. Yeah, that's they forget why they do it. They just want to suffocate during the lecture. Yeah, it's not really healthy to do it during the whole lecture, especially if it's vinyasa and you are sweating a lot, you need a lot of breath. Don't do it. Don't restrict the breath. It should be calm. If we move slowly, you can focus on the breath, you can feel where the breath is going, and then it's good to try to do that Ujjayi breath with that feeling over there. Yeah? Clear?